Which of the following could the math drawing below be used to illustrate? Circle all that apply. Okay, so I have three singles and then and a super bundle on the right. And on the left, I have one, two, three, four, five, eight bundles of 10. So if I let one bead equal 1 unit, then on the right, I have 103. Sorry, on the left, I have 103, and on the right, I have 80. 103 is greater than 80. Yes, that is one of the things I could be representing. But what if I let one bead equal 0.1? Okay. If one bead equals 0.1, then the right-hand side of this equation, I have bundles of 10. So each 10 of these is 10 tenths. So this is one. These are ones. So this is 8. Okay. And on the left, um, each string of 10 beads represents one. So this super bundle is a 10. And then these are tenths. So this is 10.3. Okay, so 10.3 greater than 8 is not something that's listed here. Okay, so that did not help. All right, let's let one bead equal a 100th. Okay, so that means that each string of 10 beads is a tenth. So the right-hand side is 0.8, right? Because this is 10 hundredths, which makes a tenth. So this is 8 tenths. And then my super bundle, instead of being a tenth, is a 1. So this is 1, and these are hundredths, so 1.03. Okay, that is something listed here under Part D. And then let's see, here I have point ones. So I think I might have to let this one bead represent a 1,000th. Thousand. And then let's see what each picture represents. So if each bead represents a 1,000th, then a string of 10 beads represents a hundredth, and this is 8 hundredths. And a super bundle is going to represent a tenth. So this is 0.1 and then 3 thousandths. So no hundredths, 3 thousandths. 0.103 greater than zero point zero 0.08. That is F. And then those are the only options. Those are the only things that the pictures could represent. A campus population is reported to be 27,000 students. Assuming this is a rounded figure, identify the possible range of numbers that could describe the actual exact size of the population. So I'm going to assume that this has been rounded to the thousands. So you should make explicit if you're making an assumption. So say, assume this is rounded to the thousands. Okay. So that means there could have been as many as 26,500 students because that would round up to 27,000. Okay. Um, or it could have gone at, so that could be as few as 26,500, and it could go all the way up to 27,499, because those numbers, that 27,499 will round down to 27,000. But as soon as you hit 27,500, that would round up to 28,000. So these are the possible actual student sizes.